Yo, what is up, guys? This is Hadi from HadiTech, back again with another YouTube video on how you can start working from home remotely with no experience at all. Now, I have this series on YouTube where I showed you a lot of AI labs that you can start working with, and you can start making money from home, whether that be in beginner and just entry level roles, or there is some advanced and senior roles as well. And our latest video was an example of that. I just made a video about RWS and showed you how I made around $1,500 just by working with this company on translation and transcription jobs. So you can go ahead and check these, and if you want to check the whole playlist, then go to my playlist and you'll find a playlist around these AI labs and these companies. Now in today's video, guys, we're going to be talking about Meridial, and if you are looking for data annotation jobs or any jobs related to AI, honestly, then this is definitely one of the companies that should pop up on your radar. Now for Meridial, I'll break this down to you, show you how to create your account and how you can get enrolled with these tasks. Now the link will be in the description down below, so go ahead and click on it, and once you click on it, it will take you to this page. Click on open projects and scroll all the way down, and in here you can see the projects that are open right now and you can apply to right away. There are, like I said before, and this applies to any AI lab, there are senior level roles and there are some entry level roles as well. So one of the roles that are currently open and I do recommend you apply for is the AI generalist, no experience required role. As you can see, you don't need any experience whatsoever. So go ahead and click on this one right here and open this up in a new tab and just go ahead and proceed with the whole application process. It's very easy and very simple. Put in your first name, last name, email, upload your CV, fill in the education form right here. Also, make sure to provide your LinkedIn URL, and I hope that you have good LinkedIn URL. If you do not, then go ahead and make one and make sure that you have a decent profile, then just submit your application. So this is the first role. The second role will be the audio specialist freelancer AI training project, which is ongoing right now, and you can join right away too. So go ahead, open that up, and yeah, just go and apply on this role as well. Once you apply for these roles, just wait a couple days, for like, I don't know, a week or less than that, and you will get an email saying that you should take an assessment and you should take an interview. The interview is approximately around 45 minutes, so go ahead and take the interview. It's preliminary. Once you pass that interview, you will be prompted to create your own account on the Meridial marketplace. And in here, you can also apply to different projects and also check your status for the ones that you applied for. So for example, here is my dashboard on Meridial, and just to actually let you know that I worked with this company, I worked with this AI lab, and I do have experience with them. If we go to earnings, you can see that we have earned, a couple dollars with Meridial themselves. And if we go to the projects and click on it and click on active, you can see that we are part of 2 projects that are ongoing right now, and they pay around $9 per hour. So these are the 2 projects that I'm with right now. And for the projects and how you should work and maneuver with this AI lab, it's gonna be all detailed in the Slack group later on. Once you join, you will have a link that will guide you through the whole process, and you will be joined with a lot of people in a group that details everything and show you how to get started on multiple projects within Meridial. So let's just go back to the homepage. Like I said before, once you pass that interview, that preliminary interview, you will have your dashboard ready. And if you want to actually check your status for the ones that you applied for, you will see if it is reviewed, under review, accepted, etc. So you will see everything in here. If you want to actually apply for another project, then click on explore all projects, and once you click on it, you can explore all the projects that are available right here. So most of these are just in the linguistic aspect of things. So if you are good at Italian, Japanese, French, Welsh, all of these accents, you can apply for these, as you can see. If you are good with coding and sort of have a decent knowledge of coding, you can go for the JSON coding evaluation roles. There are, like I said and mentioned in the very beginning of this video, there are multiple senior and entry level roles that you can check for yourself. Also, there are some film and video editors, so if you are capable of doing video editing, then go ahead and check these roles and apply for these as well. And the most and high paid offers within Meridial will be the STEM jobs. So if the scientific jobs, basically, so if you hold a PhD degree in, let's say for example, chemical engineering, computer science, all of that, you can go ahead and apply to these roles. These ones are the most that pays within Meridial. So this is how you actually get with Meridial and how you can start working with this AI lab. Now I will not show you the whole process of working, because that goes against the NDA that you have to sign at first, but the project flow and project details and how to work will be all detailed in the group within Slack. Before we wrap up this video, make sure to go to the profile section and make sure that you fill in every detail that is in here, and make sure to take these tests in the languages that you speak. Make sure that you take these languages, because if you take more languages, you are more likely to get matched with different projects that require different languages, and that way you will secure a seat. So this is how you fill in your profile. Like I said, make sure to also add the professional background and history. If you worked with multiple other companies, make sure to do that. That will raise your chances to get hired. And yeah, add every bit that you can do in this profile section. So yeah, this was just a quick tutorial, guys, on how to actually get started with Meridial, how to apply, and how to get into the marketplace, and how to track your application status and everything that I mentioned earlier. Now, if you have any questions about this AI lab, this company, make sure to drop it in the comment section down below, and I will definitely comment and try to help you out. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel, because we post a lot of these updates regarding different jobs, roles that opens up, different ways to make money online, not only just freelancing or working with the AI labs. So stay tuned for that as well. And yeah, this was Hadi. Take care of yourselves, guys. See you in the next one, and peace.